Just talking about the vehicle.
So I'm with my brother. He's shopping for a car, and I'm in a new, what is this, 2022?
Yeah, 2022 G70.
G70 Genesis.
This is your 3.3 V6 turbocharged 8-speed auto. It's probably one of the higher outputs in this whole segment, especially in this size car.
Yeah, lower and wider than all of our competitors.
Mm-hmm.
The most torque, the most horsepower for this segment.
And this is a new Dune interior. This is new setup, and then a new infotainment screen. They got new digital dials on the car, so they've done some nice updates for this mid-cycle refresh.
Still a 3.3 twin turbo.
You got it.
Is there a reason why they didn't go 3.5 from the SUV?
Doesn't fit. They'd have to re-sculpt the hood. They didn't want to change up the hood. 3.5's too big.
Let's make it right here. Yeah, when I'm driving an A4, it doesn't do that.
No. We estimate 0 to 60, 4.4 seconds.
Okay. And it's nice and flat and visibility.
It's a nice color combo.
Yeah.
White with the caramel, you can't go wrong. Black dash, black steering wheel.
Is this gear shift the same one as you get in all the trims?
Yes.
This style?
It's going to remain the same. This will be a carbon as we move up.
Yeah. And then there's some stitching here you get on the sport stuff, right?
The Sport's going to have diamond stitch nap leather.
Oh, it's so eager. I love it.
No,
Oh, Explorer ST.
This car hasn't been driven like that.
So we can ride this car over here. Oh yeah, that's effortless. And my car it's not that eager because of the weight. This is definitely light on his feet. Steering's pretty precise.
Fantastic corner.
Yeah,
Stays planted, smooth power delivery.
I love it.
So the green M3 is owned by your finance manager?
Yes.
What did I say exactly?
You said the
So
ugly
ugly.
front end, and you probably broke his heart a little
Yeah,
bit.
he was crying about the RS5 price because we don't discount those cars.
No.
So he's crying that he couldn't get a discount.
Listen, keeping it real, man. It's an ugly car. And listen, you cannot deny the performance of any M car, but that car is just unbelievably ugly.
It's true.
I wish if they ever went up another level in this car, could you?
Yeah, that would be cool. They should make
sick.
an M3 or M4 competitor.
Wow, I love how composed it is. It just
20
went to
grand
the night
off?
vision,
Yeah.
the night mode. I can get used to this. And the fuel economy on these cars are what, mid-20s?
Yeah,
20s?
it's good. I mean, if you drive like a hooligan,
Yeah,
it's,
no,
it's like a
yeah.
15, 16. If you drive, with the mix, it's like 20, 22 around there. The thing is, engine optimized for 87 without knock or differentiations
really?
in the power. You get full 365 horsepower off 87 gear.
Nice. What do you think from the back, Trey? Feels pretty comfortable?
It's alright.
Definitely on the sporty side, which is fine with me. I don't care.
Yeah, the backseat people, they suffer a little bit.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I shoved 3 people back there recently, and they're not too happy. But you know what? It's not that type of car. You need that, you go with the AA.
Yeah, for me, no manual, no deal. I'm old school.
They swapped the manual out. There's no manual available this year.
No more, right?
No more. It was only ever available on the 2-liter.
On the 4-cylinder, yeah.
Yeah. You can still allocate one.
This is nice. I like it. You got good rubber on the car. This is beautiful. I love this new color.
Only pilot spots.
This is very nice. I've driven our cars. I've driven the new 3 Series. The C-Class is a waste of time.
Yes.
This one's a lot more fun, a lot more engaging.
Yeah. And when you have it and you drop a couple gears and you let it go, I mean, this car wants it. This car only has 33 miles on it.
It's very smooth and the transmission is pretty good. It's 70 no time.
No time.
That's fantastic. That's beautiful. Well, so that's definitely
Can you change the digital display
Yes. Completely
on the driver's side?
Yep.
So right now he's got his tack and I guess his lane change assist.
Yeah, this is a lane keep screen.
Okay.
Which everything's turned off when he's in sport mode, especially when you go
I see.
over to Sport Plus mode where traction gets turned off.
Mighty
This
impressive.
car does have launch control.
Oh yeah.
This one's only $43,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
For
It's a
our,
steal.
we do have a little bit of a. They did apply a markup. I wouldn't have that for you guys.
Yeah.
Wait, hold up. This car is a 3.3 twin turbo.
Yeah.
Yes.
And it's $43,000.
Yeah.
Let them come in.
Yeah, it's a bargain. And it's so well equipped already.
Amazing. It's
A 3
absolutely-
Series like this is gonna be like 60 grand.
Yes.
All day long.
If you were to get an M340i, you would be paying 50-60 grand all day long.
He was taking the spot I wanted to do. 'Cause I was just gonna
Oh,
back it next to the
comparison?
old one to do a side by side.
He's actually not going to be here long.
Okay.
In
well,
fact, if
you
you
want me
want
to
to
back